Have you ever had the desire to master Linux system administration, but you didn't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. Linux system administration is a world of endless possibilities, a place where you can explore, create, and control. It's a skill that's essential for anyone who wants to delve into the heart of the tech world. In this guide, we're going to take a deep dive into the core of Linux system administration. We'll start with the basics, setting up configurations that will make your Linux journey smoother and more efficient. We'll then move on to understanding the file system and how to manage it, learning networking commands, and getting a handle on how to manage users and groups. But we won't stop there. We'll also delve into system diagnostics and performance, and teach you how to read and analyze logs. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey into the world of Linux system administration? Let's dive in. First off, we'll delve into some basic configurations. These are the fundamental settings you need to get your Linux system up and running. Let's start with setting the host name. Open your terminal and type the following command: sudo hostname, followed by your chosen hostname. Replace your underscore hostname with the name you desire. This command is crucial as it changes the hostname, which is the label assigned to your device on a network. Next, let's adjust the system's time zone. Type sudo ln sf, followed by your city's name, then /etc/local time. This command links your system's time to the time zone of the specified city. It's a simple yet essential configuration that ensures your system operates in sync with your local time. With these basic configurations, you've taken the first step towards becoming a proficient Linux system administrator. Now that we have our basic configuration set, it's time to explore the Linux file system and learn how to manage it. Let's start with the cd command. This is used to change the current directory. Next, we have lse, a command that lists the files and directories in a directory. When it comes to editing files, v and nano are your friends. They're excellent text editors that can be summoned with a simple command. To create new files, you can use touch. If you need to copy or move files and directories, cpo and mv are the commands you'll be using. To remove files and directories, there's rm. Now let's move on to something a bit more complex. fdisk is used for partitioning disks and working with file systems, while mount is used to mount a file system or a device. Understanding the file system and how to manage it is a crucial part of Linux system administration. Networking is a vital part of any operating system. In this part, we'll get familiar with some important networking commands in Linux. The route command, for instance, is used to view and manipulate IP routing tables, while ping helps test your network connection by sending packets to a server and checking if they come back. If you need to trace the path taken by your network traffic, traceroute is your go-to command. For querying the domain name system or DNS, you can use enslookup. To view and change the configuration of your network interfaces, ifconfig comes in handy. Other useful commands include tracepath, which traces the path to a destination while discovering MTU along this path, and sheesh, which provides a secure encrypted connection between two hosts over an insecure network. Mastering these networking commands will equip you with the skills needed to manage any network-related tasks in Linux. We've covered a lot today, so let's take a moment to recap. We began by setting the host name and understanding some basic configurations. This is a crucial step in getting started with Linux system administration, as it allows you to customize your system. Then we moved on to the file system and management, where we explored various commands. These commands, from changing directories to creating new files, are the building blocks of navigating and manipulating the Linux environment. Next, we delved into networking commands, vital for managing network connections and ensuring smooth communication between your system and the outside world. These commands help in troubleshooting network issues and enhancing system security. We also touched upon managing users and groups in Linux, an essential aspect of maintaining a secure and efficient system. Lastly, we looked at system diagnostics and log analysis, key to understanding system performance and troubleshooting issues. With these fundamentals, you are well on your way to becoming a Linux system administrator. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep exploring and learning.